All right, so what we're going to do today is I want to take a few minutes and I'm going to show you how quickly you can create clips for short form videos on social media once you have already got a video to work with. Now, obviously, we know that I can pull up my phone and I can do a recording and I can edit it, but there's a quicker way if you already have videos. Let's say you've got content you've created, you've been on podcasts, you have podcasts you've done, maybe you've done a workshop, maybe you've done a webinar. All of that can be the foundation for content. So I've opened up a project inside of Descript, and this is where we're going to be working today. So this is actually a video podcast that I recorded just a couple days ago. So I had popped open using Squadcast, read my script, recorded the video. That gets posted up on YouTube, but I also use it for content clips. And we can do this in 7 clicks. So I've got this video open. This is literally just a new project. Opened up the video. Now I want to show you how simple this is. Inside of Descript, all we have to do is select the text. All right, so this is the transcription for my video. I selected the text. I'm going to come over on this little bar that popped up, click these 3 dots, and click duplicate to a new composition. Once I click that, it's going to just copy that section into a new thing that I'm able to edit. I'm going to come over here to the top and I'm going to go to this new composition that it created. Now we can see this is the text that it created. Now this took that section out of the video. I didn't have to go into a timeline and cut and crop and duplicate. So simple inside a Descript. Now, obviously, we want to create a short form video for Instagram Reels, TikTok, YouTube Shorts. But so this is 16 by 9. I'm going to show you how quickly we can make the adjustments. All right, this little button over here, this is the aspect ratio. I'm going to come over here. I'm just going to switch it to portrait. Boom. Now this is giving us a 9 by 16 video that we can post on Reels and TikTok and YouTube Shorts. Now I'm going to adjust the video so I take up all of the screen. So I'm just going to click on my video. There's this little portrait button. It's going to crop it. And then I'm just going to fill the screen. Little button that literally says fill screen. Now this video is now edited for, so I'm going to just click play so you can see how it rolls. All right, so I didn't even look at the section that I pulled, so it's just the first part. It's the introduction. Now I'm going to click on here, and we can add a couple features. Because I read off of a script, I like to utilize the little AI eye contact feature inside of Descript. Super handy. It is under the effects section. If you don't see it, you can click on the plus sign and you'll be able to see it there. Eye contact. Gonna pop this on. It literally just kind of locks your eyes on so that as I'm talking, if I happen to kind of look off into my script, it will keep my eyes kind of locked onto the camera. Super handy, and I really, really enjoy using that. So this video is pretty much good to go. The one thing I want to add is going to be captions. So I'm going to just kind of click off of the video. There's this little thing that says choose template, and by default, it's going to open up here, and under here we have a section called captions, and then we have a number of different templates that we're able to use. I'm going to click this karaoke one. Now inside of here, we're able to adjust the color of the like what's filled here. We're able to adjust the size. We're able to adjust the font. I can adjust the color if there's a border. We have all of the ability to do that. However, I keep it fairly simple because if this is red versus purple, if there's a border versus no border, that's not really going to skyrocket my engagement. So I get it so that it is something I'm happy with, and I try and vary it slightly from video to video so they're a little bit different. However, I haven't noticed an incredible difference. I've had videos that have had, you know, bold font. I've had it with red, I've had it with yellow, and they've kind of caught traction and got a lot of views. So I haven't found where it needs to be a certain way to get additional views. And the captions are on there. It pulls from the transcription, and I don't know how to mute this, so I'm just going to kind of show you how the captions look. So that video is ready to go. I'm going to click publish, export, and I'm going to just save this to my computer. And that is how easily we can create a content clip. And I can usually, once I have my video inside of Descript, maybe 30 minutes, I can create upwards of like 10 clips that I can then go schedule across my social media platforms.